Welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we have something special for you, the Hindustan Porter 800. This compact yet powerful commercial vehicle has been making waves in the market, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about it. From its exterior design to interior features, performance, and of course, pricing, let's dive in. Starting with the exterior, the Hindustan Porter 800 follows a simple yet functional design, perfect for small businesses and transport needs. The front end has a straightforward look with a robust grille and halogen headlamps, ensuring visibility even in low-light conditions. The compact size makes it easy to maneuver through city traffic, while the sturdy build ensures durability on rough roads. It comes with practical steel wheels and a strong chassis, designed to carry significant loads without compromising stability. Overall, the design prioritizes utility over aesthetics, making it a workhorse for business owners. Moving on to the interior, the Hindustan Porter 800 is designed to be practical and comfortable for drivers who spend long hours on the road. The cabin is minimalistic but functional, with a simple dashboard layout that includes essential controls for easy access. The seating position is upright, giving the driver a clear view of the road ahead. The seats are basic but provide adequate support, and the steering is light enough for easy handling in city conditions. You won't find luxury features here, but you get everything you need for a smooth and efficient driving experience. Now let's talk performance. The Hindustan Porter 800 is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient engine, making it ideal for commercial use. It delivers decent power for its segment, ensuring a smooth drive even when carrying heavy loads. The suspension is tuned for durability, absorbing shocks well on uneven roads. Fuel efficiency is a key highlight, as this vehicle is designed to minimize operational costs for businesses. The gearbox is simple and effective, making driving hassle-free, even for those new to commercial vehicles. While it's not built for speed, it's a practical and economical option for those needing a reliable transporter. When it comes to pricing, the Hindustan Porter 800 is one of the most budget-friendly commercial vehicles in its category. Depending on the variant and location, the price varies, but it remains an affordable option for small businesses. It offers great value for money with low maintenance costs, making it a smart investment for transport needs. So, that wraps up our review of the Hindustan Porter 800. It's a practical, efficient, and budget-friendly vehicle designed for businesses that need reliability and affordability. What do you think about this commercial workhorse? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive reviews. See you in the next video.